Importance of trend. See, these are the common mistakes. Even me, I have these mistakes also. Uh, Unless you have not practiced or you are not expert on trading both ways, like the swing side, up and down, the best way to preserve, the best way to trade is to trade in the exact trend that the market have. Now, how do we know that it's a downtrend or it's an uptrend? To do this, an indicator called moving average is what you need. See, please search about uh, SMA 200 and SMA 50, and you will find the reason why we use that certain calculations for us to find the trend. Now, in my screen, as you can see here, this is my current screen. Yeah, what you can see on this line, this one, the upper one. Let me just make this big. Okay. This, the upper line, is the trend. It is a 200 SMA. So as we could see, all of the candlesticks are below this one. So generally, the trend is down. Now, if the candlestick will pass through this, and that we will know that there is a change of trend. Okay, this is for this trend is using for those who are having a long-term trading. And what I am using is the 50 SMA, which is, you can see these dots over here. So I will know that it is still downtrend. Currently, it is downtrend because all of it are under that one, under of this SMA 50. So meaning to say, if I will go if I'm sorry, if I'm going to trade up, then I will be risking more because the current trend is going down. So until you did have not practiced the swing type, or until you are not yet expert on trend finding, better trade on the what the market is showing, better trade on the trend. Do not go against the trend. Now, last week, no, last week, not the other day, when I lose $20, I was trading over this one. For the reason, I have calculations that through my research and fundamental, I knew that the market will go up, which is I was right. See, look, it does go up. No? However, this is what I call na trading on different trend is risky. It's because I have not got the proper stop loss. You must my calculation on stop loss was wrong. It was just on this, and I was hit by that on this current increase current candlestick. So I lose $20. Then I did not trade again. So if only I did trade again, I should have won this one, this candlestick. But we could see it also goes down. Why? Because the current trend really is still going down. The market is really still going down. Now, the best way to trade is like for this one, although we know that the current market now is going up based on our statistics, if we will see it, here you go. But for me, I'll rather wait for the statistics to go up, and from that time, I'll going to trade going downward. It's the best way to trade. It's because the current trend right now is downtrend. And we do that through SMA 50 and I'm sorry, through moving average 50 and 200. Thank you very much.